Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Few foods create excitement quite like a perfectly cooked rib-eye steak. From the moment the steak touches a blazing hot grill or sizzling cast iron skillet, it immediately captures attention with its sound, aroma, and appearance. The rich smell of searing beef combined with butter, garlic, and herbs fills the air and creates anticipation long before the first bite. Rib-eye steak has earned its reputation as one of the greatest cuts of beef in the world because of its tenderness, flavor, and incredible marbling. For many people, eating rib-eye steak is not just another meal. It is an experience connected to comfort, celebration, craftsmanship, and passion for great food. The rib-eye comes from the rib section of the cow, specifically from ribs 6 through 12. Since this part of the animal does not experience heavy movement, the meat stays naturally tender. What truly makes rib-eye special is the marbling spread throughout the meat. Marbling refers to the small streaks of fat woven into the muscle. As the steak cooks, this fat melts slowly into the meat, creating rich flavor and juiciness that leaner cuts simply cannot match. Every bite becomes buttery, tender, and deeply satisfying. This balance between meat and fat is why many chefs and steak enthusiasts consider rib-eye the king of steaks. There are several different versions of rib-eye steak, and each one has its own appeal. Boneless rib-eye is one of the most common styles served in restaurants and homes because it cooks evenly and is easy to handle. Bone-in rib-eye, often called a cowboy steak, includes part of the rib bone, which many people believe enhances flavor during cooking. Then there is the tomahawk steak, famous for its dramatic long bone presentation that resembles a tomahawk axe. Tomahawk steaks are often seen in luxury steakhouses because of their visual impact and thick cut. Regardless of the presentation, the core qualities remain the same: tenderness, marbling, and powerful beef flavor. Choosing the right rib-eye steak is extremely important. A quality rib-eye should have bright red meat and creamy white fat distributed evenly throughout the steak. Good marbling is one of the clearest signs of flavor and tenderness. Thickness also matters. Thin steaks can overcook quickly before a crust develops, while thicker steaks allow better control over temperature and texture. Many steak lovers prefer steaks that are at least 1.5 to 2 inches thick because they provide a perfect contrast between the crispy outer crust and juicy interior. The grading of beef also affects quality. In the United States, USDA Prime is considered one of the highest grades because it contains abundant marbling. USDA Choice is also popular and more widely available, offering excellent flavor at a lower price. Wagyu beef from Japan is another famous type of steak known for extraordinary marbling and softness. Some Wagyu rib-eyes almost melt in the mouth because of their intense fat content. Around the world, different regions have developed reputations for exceptional beef, including Argentina, Australia, Japan, and the United States. Preparation before cooking is one of the secrets to achieving restaurant-quality steak at home. Many beginners focus only on cooking time but ignore preparation. Allowing the steak to sit at room temperature for about 30 to 45 minutes helps it cook more evenly. If the steak is too cold, the outside may burn before the center reaches the desired temperature. Patting the steak dry with paper towels is another crucial step because excess moisture prevents proper browning. A dry surface allows the steak to form a flavorful crust during searing. Seasoning rib-eye steak is surprisingly simple because the meat already contains rich natural flavor. Many chefs believe coarse salt and freshly cracked black pepper are all that is needed. Salt enhances flavor and helps develop a better crust. Some people add garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, or steak seasoning blends, but simplicity often produces the best results. High-quality steak does not need to be hidden under heavy seasoning. One of the most popular methods for cooking rib-eye steak is pan-searing in a cast iron skillet. Cast iron is prized because it retains heat extremely well and creates an incredible crust. Before cooking, the skillet must become extremely hot. A small amount of high smoke point oil, such as avocado oil or canola oil, is added before placing the steak in the pan. The moment the steak touches the surface, a loud sizzling sound should begin immediately. That sound signals the start of the Maillard reaction, the chemical process responsible for creating the deep brown crust and complex flavors associated with perfectly cooked steak. During cooking, patience is important. Constantly moving the steak prevents proper crust formation. Letting the steak remain undisturbed for several minutes creates caramelization and texture. Once flipped, the process repeats on the other side. Thick ribeye steaks are often finished in the oven after searing to ensure the center cooks evenly without burning the outside. Butter basting is one of the techniques that separates average steak from exceptional steak. During the final minutes of cooking, butter, smashed garlic cloves, and fresh herbs like rosemary or thyme are added to the skillet. As the butter melts, it is spooned repeatedly over the steak. This process infuses flavor, enhances moisture, and creates an irresistible aroma. Watching melted butter cascade over a sizzling steak is one of the most satisfying moments in cooking. Resting the steak after cooking is another step many people underestimate. Cutting into steak immediately after cooking causes the juices to spill out onto the plate instead of remaining inside the meat. Resting for 5 to 10 minutes allows the juices to redistribute evenly throughout the steak, resulting in a more flavorful and juicy bite. That is everything about rib-eye steak for now. From its cut and marbling to its taste and cooking qualities, you now understand why it is considered one of the best steaks. Stay tuned for part 2. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.